Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this lecture is the 10th out of the 14 lessons in this course, and in this lecture we'll be talking about the steps which you need to take while preparing for your PMP exam in a structured way. Okay, so let's get the discussion started. In this lesson, guys, we'll be talking about how to build a step-by-step plan for your PMP exam preparation. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so this is the entire schematic plan of your PMP exam preparation, guys. Okay, now overall this whole plan is based on the assumption that you are able to study about 2 to 3 hours on weekdays and about 6 to 7 hours on weekends, guys. Okay, so the more the better, but anyways, that's the minimum number of hours you need to clock to get this entire PMP exam preparation plan to be completed between 10 to 12 weeks. Okay, now let's discuss the details of the PMP exam preparation plan. So this plan is consisting of 4 steps, starting from step 1 and going all the way to step 4. Now in the upcoming lessons, we'll be discussing the details about each of these steps from step 1 to step 4, but these are the key things or the key milestones of every step which you need to keep in mind. So step 1 is all about understanding the exam, okay, before you even start preparing for the PMP exam, right? So that is about a week or so. Moving on to step 2, it is more about understanding the syllabus of the PMP exam, studying the syllabus of the PMP exam along with the practice questions. So as we know, guys, the PMP exam syllabus is the PMP ECO. Now in this step, the key is to go through each and every element of the PMP exam ECO and practice the questions from those topics as well. Okay, so that way you will not only understand and learn about the PMP exam topics, but will also be able to solve PMP style questions, at least to get your understanding much better. Okay, so that's about 6 to 8 weeks. Moving on, this is step 3, and here you solve mock simulators and do the analysis. Okay, that's about 2 weeks or so. So here what you do, once in step 2 you have understood the syllabus, you know its components, you are confident about all the topics of the PMP ECO. In step 3 you start solving PMP mocks. Okay, you can start with free mock simulators and then slowly work your way up to more high quality paid mock simulators. Okay, so we'll be discussing everything in the upcoming lessons. And of course, please remember that whenever you are solving mocks, you need to analyze your mocks again and again to understand your knowledge gaps. Okay, moving on, this is the final phase of your PMP exam preparation, guys, and that's step 4. And this is about 2 weeks where you consolidate all the learnings which you have got from step 1 to step 3. Okay, and these 2 weeks of preparation is extremely crucial because how you wrap up your preparation in this entire 2 weeks will drive how you perform in the actual exam on the exam day, right? So summarizing, the entire PMP exam preparation plan is consisting of 4 steps with some key deliverables coming out of each of the steps. Okay, and overall with about 2 to 3 hours of study on the weekdays and about 6 to 7 hours of study on the weekends, you will be able to wrap up the entire plan between 10 to 12 weeks. Okay, I wish you all the best for your PMP exam preparation. Let me know in the comment section below if you are finding this course helpful for your PMP exam preparation. Okay, and now with that, let's move on to the next lecture.